Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, now in this channel I'm also telling about form of perception. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Asad Soliaangi Ali. Okay, so guys, now let's start in fifth part, forms of perception. Okay, I'm also explain form of perception. Form perception is the process of recognition. Okay, what are forms of perception? Okay, the type of perception are often separated by these senses. These include visual perception, scent perception, touch perception, sound perception, and taste perception. Okay, so guys, now in this I'm also telling about what is form perception. Okay, definition, meaning, form perception, definition, and examples. Okay, so now in this video I'm also telling about form perception. Okay, what it is and how it's work, each and every information shared with you. Okay, form perception, dictionary of psychology. Okay, in psychology I'm also explain how form of perception. Okay, so okay, so now guys, in this video I'm also explain form of perception. Okay, I'm also explain form perception is the of recognition of elements of objects, specifically those due to which with shape partners patterns and previously identifying important characteristics. An object is perceived by the retina as a two-dimensional image, but the image can vary from the same object in terms too of the context with which it is viewed, the apparent size of the object, the angle from which it is viewed, how illuminated it is, as well as where it resides in the field of vision. Despite the fact that each instance of observing an object leads to a unique retinal response pattern, the visual processing in the brain is capable of recognizing these experiences as analogous, allow invariant object recognition. Visual processing occurs in a hierarchy, with the lowest levels recognizing lines and contours, and slightly higher levels performing tasks such as completing boundaries and recognizing contour combinations. The highest level integrate the perceived information to recognize an entire object. Essentially, object recognition is the ability to assign labels to object in order to categorize and identify them, thus distinguishing an object from another. During visual processing, information is not created but rather reformatted in a way that draws of the most detail. Okay, development and dice functioning. Okay, psychology. Form perception is a demanding task for the brain because our retina has a significant blind spot and retinal veins that abstract light from rich cells that detect light, or photoreceptor cells. Okay, the brain handles the blind spots through boundary processes, including perceptual grouping, boundary completion, and figure ground separation, and through surfaces processing include compensation for variable illumination. Okay, discounting the illuminant and filling blank area with the surviving illuminate discount signals. In addition to photoreceptors, the eye requires a properly functioning lens, retina, and an undamaged optic nerve to recognize form. Light travels through the lens, hits the retina, activates the appropriate photoreceptors depending on available light, which convert the light into an electrical signal that travels along the optic nerve to the lateral geniculate nucleus of the thalamus, and then to the primary visual cortex. Okay, in the cortex, the adult brain processing information such as lines, orientations, and color. These inputs are integrated in the occipital temporal cortex, where a representation of the object as a whole is created. Okay, so guys, I hope you also like this video. In this video I'm also share form of perception for fifth part. Inshallah, we will meet again in next videos. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Asad Soliaangi Ali. Inshallah, we will meet again. Allah Hafiz.